Hi folks, Luca at SharperTrades. LVS, that was discussed in the trading room that some of the travel-related stocks might be moving. This is one that was discussed in the room last week, was a day trade. Most importantly, reporting earnings with volume increase. Today printed a bullish engulfing also with some volume. So I like this one. It needs to break through this high at 47.25. My targets are the 50 SMA 49. Above that 51 and 54. I like this base and the candle today. MGM, another one of those travel related, and also is built in some base, same sector as LVS, casino and resorts. 38, 40, 42. Support is today low. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses, all my trading services, and access to the trading room. A package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. Sharper Trades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.